Our first assignment is an annotative bibliography. What is an annotative bibliography? What does annotative mean?
We have to choose 5 articles in our major. They should be on a similar topic. Then we have to summarize each of them in 5 sentences. And write another 5 sentences evaluating the summary. So each summary is 10 sentences, times 5 is 50 sentences, more or less.
Why do they have to be on the same topic? Why can't we just choose any 5 articles?
It makes your life in this class easier. Because if you choose articles on the same topic, you can use them throughout the course. In the next paper, you have to write a critical review and you can choose 2 or 3 of your summaries to compare and evaluate. Then you can write your research paper using the information for all the articles. See, easy.
So how do I get started?
First you have to read the whole article. You can use articles you have to read for other classes if you want. Don't just read the abstract or summary because that is written in a different way than you need to write for this course. First you need to identify the key problem in the article and then focus on how the author tried to solve the problem. Life's easier here if all the articles address the same problem, but you don't have to do that.
How do I organize the summary?
The summary is organized into 3 parts. The first part is a descriptive summary where you write a 1-sentence summary of the article. Then you can write 4 or 5 informative sentences where you summarize the key issues or problems and what the author wrote about them. And then you need to write 5 sentences giving your own opinion.
How is the sentence written?
Each sentence has its own form. A descriptive sentence begins with the name of the author, then a reporting verb, and then a direct object. For example, the author discusses finding a solution to the traffic problem. Notice that I choose the word discusses for my reporting verb. Discusses is a very objective report that describes what the paper is about. Also notice that it only takes a direct object, traffic problem. If you want more information, you can look at the worksheet on descriptive reporting verbs on the course Padlet wall.
So what's a reporting verb?
In the first part of your summary, you are summarizing what the author thinks, so you have to attribute in every time the name of the author, so it's clear that the ideas are from the author, not yours. So you have to start each sentence with the name of the author or a pronoun or some way of acknowledging that this sentence is taken from the article. Then you have to paraphrase the idea you want to report. Finally, you have to choose a reporting verb to link the author with the idea.
I still don't know what a reporting verb is.
Even though the idea is from the author, you can still express your opinion about it. Later in the course, you are going to use the ideas of the authors either to make your own claims, support your claims, or show how your work is different from the author's. The reporting verb indicates what is your own attitude towards the claim. For example, when you used discusses, that means that this is a fact, the author really discussed it. There's no dispute. But what if you think the argument is only an opinion of the author? Then you might say, the author believes.
What if I think it's an argument?
Then you could say, the author argues.
What if I don't agree with the author?
We have found that writers most often use the word claim. That is, the author claims that this is true, but it isn't.
What about the evaluation? How do I do that?
In the evaluation, you express your own opinion, why you think the research is important, interesting, problematic, whatever you think. Try to evaluate only the key points in the summary. Don't summarize again. Only discuss what you already summarized. The important thing to remember is that in the first part of the summary all the information belongs to the author. That is why you have to use the name of the author. In this evaluation, everything you write belongs to you since there is no other attribution, so you don't have to use any names or pronouns. If there is no attribution, it is your idea.
Great, now I just have to find a topic for this paper.